Kumusta? Maayong adlaw and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about the sweet city in the heart of Panay, the city of Passi in the province of Iloilo in Region 6 or Western Visayas. Passi City is known as the sweet city in the heart of Panay due to its vast pineapple plantations, sugarcane plantations, and annual output in fruit production. Passi City or 𝗧𝗛𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗧 is a component city in the province of Iloilo. There are only two cities in the province of Iloilo. One is Iloilo City, which is a highly urbanized city, and the only component city in the province of Iloilo, that's the city of Passi. In the local language, we have Passi City is also known as 𝗧𝗛𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗓 or 𝗧𝗛𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗢. It is also a fourth-class city in the province of Iloilo and is one of the oldest Spanish settlements in Iloilo. Passi City is in the Philippines, it's in Region 6 or Western Visayas, and is part of the province of Iloilo and is classified or is also a part of the 4th District of Iloilo, the 4th Legislative District of Iloilo. It was founded in 1766 and became a city in March 14, 1998. The people of Passi call themselves Pasinhons. The total area of the city of Passi is 251.39 kilometers squared or 97.06 square miles. The zip code is 5037. The PSGC is 0630350000. The IDD or the area code is +63. Or for landline, that's 033. Climate type is tropical climate and the languages spoken here are 𝗖𝗓𝗢𝗢𝗓 and Hiligaynon. The official website is www.passicity.gov.ph. Let us now discuss the seal of symbolism in the official seal or official logo of the city of Passi. We can see here a shield. This is derived from the provincial seal of Iloilo where the city belongs. The sun, stars, and the red, white, and blue colors depict the Philippine national flag. While 1998 is the year when the city was created by virtue of Republic Act 8469. The map in green here portrays the geographical location of the city, while the rooster signifies the virtuous character of Pasinhons. We can also see here a horseshoe which projects good luck for the city. The sugarcane, palay, and pineapple depicts the principal products of the city, while the white daisy represents the official flower of the city. The city of Passi is located south of 𝗪𝗪𝗧, southwest of San Rafael, southeast of 𝗪𝗪𝗀𝗀, east of Calinog, northeast of 𝗪𝗬𝗀𝗧, and north of San Enrique. Moreover, it lies in the central portion of Panay Island and can be reached approximately 50 kilometers, which is about 45 minutes to 1 hour from Iloilo City and 61 kilometers or 1 hour from Roxas City. How did it came to be Passi City? Spanish conquistadors stumbled on a small hut by the riverbanks where an old woman was found winnowing pounded rice. One of them asked her, ¿Cómo se llama este lugar? Not knowing the native language, of course. Much to the old woman's surprise and perhaps from excitement, she replied without much ado, "Ah, Passi," which means some of the unhusked rice on her basket. She must have thought that they were eager to know what was in the basket and what she was doing, because she could not understand their language. From that time on, the Spaniards began to call the place Passi at first, until it later evolved into Passi. The major rivers traversing through the city of Passi are the following. We have 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗓 River, Lamunan River, Hinayan River, Asisig River, and Malyao River. It is also bordered by two mountains, namely Mount 𝗖𝗎𝗎𝗪 and Mount Bayuso. For the political subdivisions, there are 51 barangays in the city of Passi, in which 2 of them are city proper barangays, 11 are urban barangays, and 38 are rural barangays. The following are the barangays comprising the city of Passi. We have 𝗪𝗏𝗡, 𝗪𝗏𝗢𝗚, 𝗪𝗓𝗏𝗪, 𝗪𝗏𝗏𝗡, 𝗪𝗏𝗡𝗏, 𝗪𝗏𝗟𝒛𝒻, 𝗪𝒑𝒃, 𝗪𝒟𝒻, 𝒑𝒂ranan, 𝒑𝒑𝒡𝒀, 𝒑𝒑u, 𝒪yan, 𝒑𝒣𝒑ugan, 𝒬𝒐𝒡𝒻 Vista, 𝒑𝒠𝒑, 𝒂bunga, 𝒂dilang, 𝒂iruhan, 𝒑alikanan, 𝗖𝗎𝒡𝗢, 𝗖𝒎𝒎𝒻 𝗖𝒑𝒂k, 𝗖nis Viejo, 𝗖𝒑𝒻 Grande, 𝗂gimitan, 𝗬𝒑o, 𝒪asin, 𝒪gdungaw, 𝒪lagꞌit Grande, 𝒪lagꞌit Pequeño, 𝒪mbiranan Grande, 𝒪mbiranan Pequeño, 𝒪nꞌit, 𝒪ntulang, 𝒪ulapula, Nueva Union, 𝒬angi, 𝒬agaypay, Poblasyon Ilawod, Poblasyon Ilaya, Punong, Kinagaringan Grande, Kinagaringan Pequeño, Sablugon, Salngan, Santo Tomas, Sarapan, Tagubong, Talungunan, Tubod, and Tuburan. The languages spoken are 𝗪𝗓𝗢𝗓 and Hiligaynon. Moreover, Tagalog and English is also spoken and understood. Majority of the Pasinhons are Roman Catholic, but there are also religions like Iglesia ni Cristo, Jehovah's Witnesses, Seventh-day Adventist, Baptist, and other religions. For shopping, we have Gaisano Capital Passi, City Mall Passi, Mr. DIY Passi, Dafa Goods, Family Home, Punchings, and others. For banking, we have Land Bank, Philippine National Bank, BDO Unibank, BDO Network Bank, BPI, China Bank Savings, Robinsons Bank, Marayu Bank, Card Bank, and others. In terms of education, for tertiary, we have 1, that's Passi City College. For diploma, we have Passi Trade School. There are 8 high schools, 38 elementary schools, and 8 private schools. One of the well-known festivals in the province of Iloilo, aside from Dinagyang Festival, is Pintados de Passi Festival. This festival is a week-long celebration celebrated starting the 3rd week of March. Its highlights are the Karosa Parada, Pintalawas, Carabao Painting Contest, and the Tribes Competition. This festival is a way to remember and relive the rich culture of the province. The word pintado means painted. And that's all for this video, which is about the sweet city in the heart of Panay, Passi City. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.